Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If the length and width of a rectangle are 5y square minus 8y minus 4 and minus 8y square minus 3, then we have to find the area of the rectangle. So let's say this is our rectangle having length as L and width as W. So this is given that the length, let's say L, is 5y square minus 8y minus 4 and the width, let's say W, is represented by minus 8y square minus 3. Now what we have to find out is area of rectangle. So the area of rectangle is length multiplied by its width. So let us multiply 5y square minus 8y minus 4 and minus 8y square minus 3. So if we multiply it term by term, so 5y square multiplied by minus 8y square will be equal to minus 40y to the power 4. Similarly, if we do the multiplication of each and every term, then we will get the below polynomial. So let us simplify it and take the same part together, like minus 40y to the power 4, and the coefficient of y cube we can see it is 64y cube, and for y square it is 32 minus 15y square, which is equal to 17y square, and 24y, and the constant term is 12. So let us check the option. It matches with option A. Hence we can say that the correct answer is option A.